Kevin was standing here today in Current Bath and Kitchen with Yitzi Bernstein. Yitzi, what's going on over here today?
We are having a massive sale here today. So as you guys know, we have the nicest plumbing in Brooklyn.
This is the nicest
This
by
is the
far.
nicest showroom around, and we have all custom stuff and beautiful things. But today, we're working on getting rid of, we're having discontinued products, overstocks, returns, things that people order double by mistake, whatever it is. We have tons and tons of products that we just want to liquidate.
So everything over here is kind of, what, half price you would say?
More than half price. We're giving up to 80% off.
80%
so we have
off.
Hardware, we have different sinks and plumbing. We have different brands, Super Brass, Buster and Punch, Graf, Jesse, Rubinay, Philrich, Wet Style, Roburn, Cartners.
The top companies.
Top of the line stuff, but you're getting deals, bargains that you would never get anywhere else. We have all kinds of faucets here, 3-hole, single hole, you know, beautiful things, brass.
Gorgeous. So give me a rundown. What are you carrying here? From vanities to
medicine cabinets to showers, shower heads, trims.
Wow. So everything gotta go.
Everything gotta go.
And it's up to 80% off. If somebody wants to make an offer,
make an offer. Shoot style.
Shoot style.
You know, OBO, was it? Or best offer. Whatever it is. You want something, come take it.
So you guys put up a beautiful tent over here, Kevin. It's a gorgeous tent that they put up over here on 18th Avenue, corner 60th Street. Meet Yitzi, shoot them the best offer. Everybody's going upstate now. Everybody has brand new, beautiful bungalows upstate, and they need gorgeous vanities, gorgeous, you know, whatever it is. This is the place to go.
Place to be.
So when is the sale? From when to when?
It's today, Sunday through Tuesday.
Sunday through Tuesday, 18th Avenue on 60th Street. What's the hours?
Today it's 11 till 4. We might end up going later because it looks like there's a lot of people.
I'm sure you're going to go later because the place over here is packed.
And the other days it's 9 to 5.
9 to 5, Kevin. I'm just going to run through inside your store just to show them what you have. Okay, let's go back inside. I just want them to get the picture of what you carry over here. High end.
High end. So the way this works, it's unique showroom. We've made this so that all the products are actually inside, so it's hidden. So we have
crazy.
All these different things, opening up every one of these. These are mostly shower and bath products, all of them.
So cool.
Then, you know, as you can see, beautiful faucets. We did this in a way so that it's
save space.
Hidden. Save space. It doesn't look so cluttered, and we can provide a very high-end experience to the customer. And then we have different hardware. All these things open up as well.
Wow.
This comes off. You know.
Beautiful.
Very unique stuff. Everything is customized, different sizes, different colors.
Wow. What do you do? This is nice bathtubs over here.
We got bathtubs. We have working showers. All these.
They actually work?
Of course.
No way.
Full steam. Not only does this work, let me see if I can do this real quick. Here, actually turns on the shower head.
What are you talking about? Can I get my cake? You mean I can actually take a shower here?
You can actually take a shower here, and you can actually control the whole thing from the screen.
This is the coolest thing, a screen to control the whole entire thing.
Obviously, we have steam and saunas. I'll show you a sauna on the other side. You have more vanities.
Well, vanities, gorgeous vanities, stunning stuff.
This, for the not so kosher people, you have actual screen inside there.
Screen inside the...
You can watch different things. These are recessed medicine cabinets. So this is a very cool item. This gets warm to warm up your coat in the
when it's
winter.
cold outside, you want to warm up your coat.
Turn it on and it gets warm.
What's so nice?
What else do we got here?
This place is rocking, man.
And then we got the kitchen things.
Look at all these kitchen sinks.
Unique kitchen stuff. We have here, let me show you something real cool that people love. We have here something called a hidden sponge holder. So
who would believe?
Who would believe? You have it in there, you don't see it, it's water, obviously water drains out.
The Balabasta's dream.
And the Balabasta's dream. You have
all your machines you have here.
More things up there. This is the sauna in here. This is also working. Obviously, everything over here is working, mostly. It's not on right now, but I can turn it on.
I can hear it.
How does it smell? Look for the... You can't...
You smell that oak.
Yeah.
That wood.
Pine.
So Kevin, if anybody's in Borough Park and wants a good sauna, check it over here at the Current.
Then we have some working stuff here too. Another working tub, full whirlpool, ear and regular. And then this is one of my favorite things in the showroom. Look here, I don't know if you can see this. You see this thing?
What is that?
This thing. You can hide your soaps and stuff inside
That is
of
super
there.
cool.
Nobody wants to see what you're showering with.
No, exactly. Wow, Yitzi, this is crazy.
More medicine cabinets, towel warmers, switches. It's one of the things we didn't really discuss.
Switches.
These little things. It costs a couple of dollars. I'm not saying it costs a little bit more than your regular switch, but this really elevates everything. You do something like this in a bathroom, and people are like, "Wow,
It looks cool.
it's crazy." You're spending so much money on your home. Doing something like this just creates a whole different vibe.
This is a towel warmer.
That's a towel warmer, yeah.
It gets hot and it warms your towels. Yitzi, we're going forever over here.
Can.
But I'm gonna have to come back and do a part 2, and I'm gonna couple geschmack schwitze one day.
Yeah, we have full of stuff.
What a
Upstairs
chill.
also for part
Get
2.
out of here. We're gonna do part 2 here. But for now, Kevin, check out the sale. Make an offer to Yitzi. Come to Yitzi say you saw on the Perlowitz show and make an offer.
Yeah.
And you got it.
This
It's
guy,
yours.
what did we just find? No, he can't be on video.
He doesn't want to be on video. Okay.
I just gave him a rough.
But you want to be on video? What's up, You bought something yet?
No, I'm selling.
You're selling also. Kevin, check it on. Mention the Perlowitz show and get a great offer on great summer stuff here. Amazing. From now till Tuesday.
Yeah.
All right. You want to say a phone number? Get them on because you don't want phone calls.
Yeah, you can call,
You can call
718
718
514
514
6653.
6653.